Hi, I'm very excited to invite you to my upcoming series at Feldenkrais Access called Heads Up. It will consist of 5 Feldenkrais lessons for recovery from concussions, whiplash, and head and neck injuries in general. The Feldenkrais lessons in this special series will help you with vision problems or balance problems or neck pain that originated with these injuries. The Feldenkrais method is extremely gentle. We only do what is easy and comfortable. And while doing these stress-free, gentle, neurologically oriented movements and paying attention to our own experience, we begin to be able to rewire our brain, and our body begins to remember what it feels like to feel better. Our whole self, our skeleton, our muscular system, our nervous system has a chance to find a new homeostasis, a better organization that is absent of discomfort, absent of tension, and absent of pain.